Greetings and hello everyone. I'm Mr. Lascala, the Ecdc art teacher at both schools. I'm going to be showing you a better illustrated view of what we are making when we come down to our Easter baskets. Now, everyone should have gotten a paper like this. If you didn't, you can ask a kindergarten teacher. I gave them as well. I did give kindergarten just in case you have a student that was absent the day we were making them. This is our basket weave, and what you're going to need to do is make a copy. This will be for 3 separate baskets for your eggs. Next thing you need, material-wise, is a milk carton, rinsed and opened. It doesn't have to be opened all the way at the top if you don't want to. The ones I have are open all the way at the top, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm going to show you a second version of how you can make one just using just a piece of paper folded in half at the end. All right. So you have your paper. You're going to cut them in 3s. So what you do is you take it and you fold it. So this way you have 3 separate lines to cut. Okay. When I'm cutting them, I'm going to be careful and get a piece of paper to give to each student. Students can color using colored pencils, crayons, whatever you would like, and you could just color inside the individual squares. Rainbow is a really great idea because it adds a little extra time if you're doing that. Remember, we don't want a spaghetti color. We don't want to hold our crayon like this. All right, so let the students do that. By the time you're finished, it will look similar to this. The next step is going to be cutting your milk container. Okay, carefully cut all 3 sides. So basically, you're cutting out one wall of your milk container, like so. This you can discard, and this is what you need. All right, the next step is using a piece of construction paper about this size. I like it extra thick like this, kind of like a ruler. It is the length of a ruler, as a matter of fact. It is 12 inches. And you fold it over like that. And now this is what you're going to do. You're going to attach it. I like to use tape just because it's easy. Tape on one side and the other. Tape on the inside of the container or the outside, your choice. Okay, I like to have a nice little fold like that. And that's what it could look like at this moment. All right. The next step is using tape to go around. Now, I have the kindergarten students using tape for this as well. You might want to help your students out with tape if you're pre-K 3. Okay, put it on the outside like this, and you're going to be going around here. You'll notice it kind of lines up with this corner. So the bottom of your milk container does not have to get covered. We're going to be adding an extra detail to that when the time comes. There you have it. There's our basket so far. Okay, the one side is not covered yet. That's where we come in with our oversized egg. Okay, this is going to be perfect for your name. Have the students write their name as best they can. Pre-K 3, write their name. I would use a black marker if you're going to be writing their name. So this way, students can still, have fun drawing wavy lines, zigzag lines, different kinds of shapes like triangles and circles, and coloring them in differently, just like so. The last step is a loop of tape, like this. Go on the back of your egg and stick it on. Now you know that that is my egg basket. Here we have our area to put our eggs. You could probably get 3, maybe 4 in there. And the very final step is to use grass. I used a paper cutter to get these. Okay, be very careful when you get to the end. And what you can have the students do is take a handful, crumple it up into a ball as best you can. You just stick that in there, okay? You're gonna have a couple pieces falling out. That's okay. All right, and now you have a nice soft spot for your eggs to go inside of when you put them inside of there. All right, the quick way to make another basket is to get your paper, have the students color this all in, fold it like this. You could probably do this before even, and you could have a student color on the front and the back after you're done stapling. I do one at the bottom, one here, and one at the top. One at the bottom, one in the middle, and one at the top. You get to add your handle. I like to fold it over once. I like to put mine on the inside. Remember, as an adult, I mean, make it however you find the easiest for you. One staple there. One staple there. Now you could use tape for this as well. I just want to show you that you can use multiple materials to get the same idea across. The last step is then taking your grass, crumbling it up, and sticking it inside. Don't forget to add a name on your egg to the outside. All right, so there you have it. We have 2 separate baskets ready to go on an egg hunt. Thanks. See you next time.